Hi everyone. Now I'll do one problem from the topic average. This is taken from the book Quantitative Aptitude by Dr. R.S. Agarwal. Find the arithmetic mean of the series. One series is given 1, 2, 4, 8 up to 2 power n. That is the question. 4 options are also given in this problem. This question they asked during the year of 2006 in SSC examination. See, if we want to find out the mean of two numbers, what we used to do, we will add the two numbers and divide it by 2. Am I right? So, arithmetic mean is sum of observations divided by number of observations. That is the concept. Okay. In this series, 1, 2, 4 up to 2 power n is given. Okay. Now, this is geometric series. How no? What is the first term? 1. What is the second term? 2. So, in geometric series, T2 by T1, in GP, T2 by T1 is equal to T3 by T2. Okay, let us see. What is T1? 1. T2 is second term. So, 2 over 1. What is third term? 4. So, 4 over 2. Both are same only. Am I right? So, R is equal to 2, which is greater than 1. If R is greater than 1, what is Sn? Sn means sum to n terms. A into R to the power of n minus 1 by R minus 1. This is Sn formula. Okay, let us solve this. Sn is equal to, what is A? First term is A, 1. R is what? 2. 2 power n minus 1. What is R? 2. 2 minus 1. That is 2 only. So, 2 power n minus 1 by 1. That is Sn. So, Sn is what? 2 power n minus 1. This is sum. But what is arithmetic mean? That is sum of observations by number of observations. See, this is the geometric series. Geometric progression starts from 1 and it has n plus 1 terms. So, this GP has n plus 1 terms. N plus 1 terms. So, what is arithmetic mean? Sum of observations. What is sum of observations? 2 power n minus 1. That is sum of observations. What is number of observations? N plus 1. So, correct option is option A. 2 power n minus 1 by n plus 1. Thank you.